Welcome back to the mix. And on the mix today, we have no other than Queenie. Yes, so we have Queenie today, and she's talking about her relationship. She's saying that, she wants to take back Dewey, and Dewey want to take her back. It's their business. And that's essentially true, because everybody is entitled to do what they feel is best for them and their relationship. So now, as Queenie speaks, she gets some advice from other people, her life, other people that joined her life. And, she's an entertainer. She's always entertaining at the same time. She's always having a smile on her face no matter what she's going through. So go ahead now and catch the video, see what Queenie has to say. And also remember to leave your comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And stay tuned.
Morning.
I use a pussy power, I'm always
Pussy
hear my
power.
grandmother say, a cow never know use time tail till it gone though. I'ma say more than one time about the cow,
Yes.
innit? Alright, your girl
All
Cooley here
right.
calling from Jamaica. I'm just want you to take the time out
All right,
for
cool.
looking at yourself and do it some space.
Yeah.
Just give him a break. If I try
Yeah.
somebody new, see if he come back, I fear him. You never hear that saying there yet. Just let him go.
Listen. 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 Me
No,
no hold on
no.
pan
Queenie,
do I cannot.
Queenie, Mary, know say
Listen.
all up on you.
Listen. You listen. Listen to me. You can't tell me what me do. I'm my husband, and you can't tell me when me feel let go, if me fi take a break, when it fi
That's
happen,
what
and
I'm
me have to
saying
make
to
that
you.
decision. You can advise me. Listen, you can advise me. I don't have to
Okay,
take your
okay,
advice. So you
okay.
don't come and tell me when. You don't come and tell me, say, you know when me no let go, because you don't know when I'm
Queenie, but
heart,
we
baby.
can
You
see you're
understand me?
hurting
So you
yourself.
come and listen, you can't see love, you can't see pain, you can't see God. You're trying shit. You don't
Okay,
know what's in my heart. You can't see what's in my heart.
I
I
know
am a jovial,
that,
loving
but I'm
person.
just
That's my
saying,
husband.
love takes
Yeah, so
time
you
to
listen,
heal.
baby. Let me talk over. Take,
Yeah,
listen to you. Listen to me. You see, if me and my husband
yeah,
for go back tomorrow morning, you who
I
upon
know
this
that.
cannot stop it. Nobody. So
Mm-hmm.
you listen. Nobody know the next step. I will not accept nobody for come and tell me where in my heart, cause everybody can say nobody no know in my heart, baby. No feel my pain.
Yeah.
You understand me? So if I give you a speech, I give you a speech. Now tell me about yes, Queen, everybody can see say you know let go. If I want hold on, baby girl. It's my earth, it's my heart, and it's
Yeah, but
my
remember,
marriage.
we are
So
your
regardless
pillow.
of
We've been a watcher. No, of course.
no, you're not my blood clot pillar. You're not my
Your
pillar
fans are
girl.
your
Don't
pillow,
blood
Queenie.
clot get that twisted. Me not take sympathy. Listen to me. Me not take sympathy. Me married for better or worse in sickness or in health. Any it happen when it happen, it happen. You don't know where gonna happen in my life, girl. Do we not know where I got happen? None of blood clot to know where I got happen. So don't come tell me when I'm my heart. Cause you don't know when I'm my heart. If I want hold on for my husband like a fool and be a fool for him, that's my heart and that's my truth. My husband. So you can't come tell me about Queen, me think you forgive my breakup. You can't tell me when I'm for blood clot. Because not even me can tell myself what to do. Because this moment, me say me not talk to do it. I do it call me blood clot now. Me I go answer
Then
do it.
then don't
None of
bring.
blood
If you
clot to
don't
no
want
can't tell me
advice,
what to do.
don't bring it on the internet.
Me never
Simple.
ask you for no advice. Big pussy blood clot cock. Come off of this and go sniff out your pussy. Go ahead. Move on a blood clot. Me not ask you for no blood clot advice. I come tell me about your cancer. What you know about blood clot me? If I want to take back my husband, me take back my blood clot husband. If him want to take me back, him take me back. None of blood clot you no can tell me what the next step. Don't come over blood clot this come dictate to me. Go sort out your blood clot PST relationship. Go sort your blood clot PST relationship. No. Come over here, come call down this. I want to walk go with you here, man. Tell me now, man. Come over here, come tell me what go with you here, blood clot, man. Go ahead. Move on a blood clot. Approach this with caution. No. Dictate to me and tell my blood clot nothing. And I may have the worst fucking marriage. I'm won't be the blood clot last. When I come test my dirty blood clot. Yeah! I'm ready for a dirty nasty blood clot. Move on a big pussy fuck out blood clot and a fuck 100 blood clot man and no which man and a fuck. I wish man blood clot want and no come in my blood clot saga because it's on internet. None of blood clot and no can't tell my blood clot about my life. Not because I saw me sure no. I want me telling you. Move on a dirty blood clot. I fuck that Friday. You hear that? Cow never know the use of blood clot here till him cut off. And cow still blood clot
Queenie.
is a cow. All when him not have no tail. And
Good
right in
morning.
the
Morning.
morning.
Morning, Queen. Go back.
Hello.
No
They
cutting
would
though,
have
no
be an
Morning.
cutting.
angry girl, so.
Nothing. Good
Go on,
morning, Queen. I'm
baby.
just calling to say good. Okay,
Blessed
you
love. I gonna
too.
love you, dear.
Bye.
Queen wave. Wait. All right, baby. Hang up. Bye. Next call I want. Me never write my life story. Morning, my darling. Me have to turn up in a blood clot that I want to know what fucking you feel like. Better blood clot worse. Well, the worst now. Me still a stand up blood clot strong. I want to know. Morning, who this? Hello? You not talk to me, darling? Savage. Hello, Savage. All right, later. What is it now? Oh, this me do I read now. I can tell she tell Dewey she love him and they told her he's coming back and of course she's taking him back. Listen to all excuse she's giving. So what if me take back blood clot do it? Come throw some acid in my blood clot pussy then if me take back do it. You sit down and plan for my blood clot and I go bet money at betting shop. And that's enough for do. Me set up a website and I go bet blood clot money. Whether me I go take him back or me, who not go take back? And who I go left blood clot, you know? Low blood clots me. Me the right yes, I'm comfortable and nice fish for me there. Pardon? Sorry. Who you go take back? You have nobody to take back? Good morning.
Um, me, me a call from America. Me just wake up and me want me prayer and me call and me a listen. Um, nobody can tell you what to do. Nobody at all who feels it knows it. Me personally, I'm part of the Yamed crew as people would have say. You know, you deal with the man years and you go through. And you go back. You will know when it is time to end it. But you see, in that process, I was always trying to get help better myself. And me learn about something named chemical bond. You want doing have a chemical bond. When we come off of this, write it down, research it, make somebody tell you, or however, it name chemical bond. Because what happens is that we love hard. And when we get that person there as bigger woman, because me a 40. I mean get one young man where I'm 35. So we had a 5 year. And the 5 year what we do as me say, whole heap of ups and downs. And some nice time. Some nice time. But I mean, I know me don't forget them the time. Because them dig down in my brain. But I forget Alzheimer's. We forget them thing there. But the long and short of it is that we can't drink poison just because we're thirsty. We can't drink poison just because we're thirsty. And nothing no do we. When me say nothing no do we, nothing no do we. As me lie down so me shame, me can't even show my face to show some mark when I tar, you know. But you brave enough to show yours, you brave enough to talk yours, but we
Thank you.
can't drink poison through we thirsty. And one day out of the 7, if you go, you go find the strength and go. But I hope it's not too late.